Hi, I'm Roosevelt Agawin,
I'm Miles.
And I'm Zoe Black, and I'm living positively with HIV.
and today we will help you unpack the common misconceptions about HIV.
As you may already know, there are a lot of myths and misconceptions surrounding HIV. Not just about the virus, but about people who live with them.
Sasagutin natin ang mga questions na galing sa internet and related to HIV. Kapag nag-share tayo ng status ng isang taong may HIV, may mga reactions tayo nakikita sa bawat mukha ng isang tao. Ang unang tanong dito ay bakit or what? And sunod na reaction or tanong ay why o how.
Hopefully today we get to address some of these questions on people's minds, answer some of their concerns and common misconceptions, and make them appreciate that people like us can still slay
Love?
and live a life filled with positivity.
Whiz. You're sharing through utensils or baso ng isang HIV positive, hindi ka mahahawaan. May tatlong bagay lang tayo kung paano mahawaan ng HIV. Ito ay unprotected penetrative sex, infected needles or sharing infected needles, and the last one is mother to child.
Kerry, yes. Pwede. Because hindi naman touch and smith yung virus by sharing the toilet with a person living with HIV.
No. Pwede magkaroon ng HIV, babae, lalaki, walang gender, bata, from mother to child transmission.
So unfortunately, HIV does not have a cure yet, but it can be managed with proper medications and religious taking of the medications, and it is preventable. So science has improved so much now compared to before. So there is now PrEP, which is now available, and it can prevent HIV by up to 99%.
Kerry, kahit na person living with HIV ako, I can still have sex with my partner. I am undetectable for 4 years. So when we say undetectable, that means you also or I am also untransmissible. Ibig sabihin po nun, hindi ko na mapapasahan yung partner ko kahit wala kaming protection. But still, natatakot pa rin ako na mahawaan siya just in case. But I'm still using the protected way, which is using condom.
Di mo sure, baka takot siya sa commitment. Sherez. But yes, Kerry naman, love knows no boundaries. I mean, it's just, you're more than just your status, and love goes beyond that. So I think, yeah, it's possible.
Whiz siya kasi wala talagang common symptoms sa HIV, sa isang HIV positive or person living with HIV.
Whiz. Masasabi ko na whiz talaga na pagka ang isang babae ay undetectable. Katulad ko, nanganak ako na undetectable. Pagka kasi undetectable ka, pwede ka na mag-normal delivery. Sa amin, sa organization namin, may nanganganak na ng normal delivery at may nagpapasuso na. So, at katulad ko din, meron na ang partner ko kasi negative. 4 years na kami. Until now, negative pa din siya. Ang baby namin, magpo 4 years old na this coming Sunday, and negative po siya. Case-to-case basis kasi kailangan kung ang mag-partner is parehong positive, kailangan nakaalalay si doktor.
Truly, madly, deeply. So there is maintenance medications that a person living with HIV takes. It's called antiretroviral therapy or ARVs. And when taken religiously, so yung virus sa ating katawan goes to a certain level that it's already undetectable, so which means it's already untransmittable. So hindi na siya nakahawa. Truly, yes, scary. Go for the booging. Walang contraindications yung pagtitake mo ng hormones simultaneously with your ARVs. A lot of trans women who are PLHIVs actually do that. So, go.
Carry, or let's say carry lang. Bakit? Kasi, let's say for example, nakipag-sex ako sa partner ko, inobo, or siguro medyo sumakit yung katawan, pwede. Pero more likely, mas maganda kung magpa-test ka like after 3 months, or we say, siguro a few weeks from your last sex exposure. Kasi on the first exposure or the date na nagkaroon ka ng sexual activity with someone or your partner, no, wala naman agad-agad or hindi naman nagmamanifest agad kung meron man or wala. So, pero mas maganda pa rin na carry lang na magpa-test after the sexual activity. Wala namang masama doon. At least, you know your status.
Truly. I mean, it may be hard, it is hard, especially at the beginning of your journey, but I think a lot of PLHIVs are incredibly strong, and that strength should never be hidden. And I think if you could be able to fulfill your purpose, then I think that's the dream.
Oo, alam nila ng HIV positive ako. Before I was diagnosed ng HIV, umuwi ako galing ng trabaho. Galing pa ako ng Cavite nun. And my work is sa Cavite. Pero umuwi ako ng Zambales. Doon ako nagpa-check sa isang hospital malapit sa amin. Kasama ko yung asawa ng pinsan ko. Siya yung unang nakaalam ng status ko. And after that, binigyan ko siya ng karapatan para sabihin doon sa kapatid ng papa ko. And after that, doon na nila nalaman lahat. They are supporting me kung ano yung gusto kong gawin or kung ano yung gusto kong marating.
Truly. So it wasn't easy. They did not know until after a year. Kung hindi pa ako ma-hospital, hindi pa nila malalaman because it's very hard to disclose that kasi syempre isa-subject mo yung sarili mo sa kumbaga a lot of PLHIVs have internal self-stigma, and that's something that I'm still trying to work on. I think you can't overcome it overnight. So it was hard for me to tell my family kasi syempre dependent pa ako sa kanila at the time. So natakot ako na mapalayas, ganyan. But eventually I had to tell them, and fortunately they were really supportive about it. But of course, syempre may talak ng very very light. Pero they understood, and I couldn't be more thankful.
Wiz. Wiz. Wiz kasi hindi lahat ng babae, pag babae ka kasi masyado kang nade-judge, masyado kang prone doon, ay kasi malandi siya or something easy to get siya, ganyan. No, kasi kami mga babae, kami yung mga tipong puso mamon, sabihan lang ni Jowa na ikaw lang nag-iisa ka. Kami naman, paniwalang-paniwala, ay okay, ganon. Alam mo yung mga nabibiktima ng ikaw lang ang tawag doon, hashtag ikaw lang. So, hindi ko naman nilalahat ng mga kalalakihan na mga manloloko, pero ang mapapayo ko na lang sa lahat, safety sex, always use condom. Kahit pasabihin ng partner mo na ikaw lang, ikaw at ikaw lang, yun yung mahalaga sa relationship na dapat pinag-uusapan.
Truly.
Kerry,
Truly.
I mean, I believe in a higher force. And dumaan din ako dun sa thought process na, bakit ako, ganyan? Deserve ko ba mga ganyang chika?
Hindi kasi mawawala sa isip natin na tanungin siya bakit sa lahat ng tao ako yung isa sa nagkaroon.
Yes, nagkaroon ako sa first nung nalaman ko, na-diagnose ako. Tinatanong ko sa kanya, bakit ako? Ang dami dyan na hindi naman sa pagalaw masasama, bakit ako?
But a lot of people did help me overcome that thought process or mindset. But ultimately, syempre, sarili mo lang din naman yung makakatulong sa'yo. People around you can only say and do so much, but it's up to you if you want to help yourself.
Hindi na masyadong nangibabaw yung tanong na yun sa akin. Simula na na-diagnose ako as HIV positive, pinagtuunan ko yung sarili ko. Nag-focus ako sa sarili ko and dun sa mga taong gumagabay sa akin.
Iniisip ko pa din and the last yung bakit ano yung rason kasi ang motto ko sa buhay ko, everything happened for a reason. In the end of the day, pinanghawakan ko pa din yun.
Important lang talaga siguro na ma-realize mo early on pa lang na may purpose kung bakit ikaw, kung bakit tayo.
Truly. Siguro, blinin ko yung sarili ko or blinin ko yung tao. Actually, hindi ko alam kung sino doon. Pero naisip ko kasi, bakit ko pa sisisihin yung taong yun? Sa umpisa pa lang, pareho namin ginusto. I blame myself, pero hindi naman siya ganun kalala. And I blame someone, bakit ako hinawaan na hindi ko alam. Well, wala naman talaga makakaalam kung mahahawaan ko or hindi. But the thing is, kahit na sila man yung nakahawa sa atin or itong tao man yung nakahawa sa akin, hindi mo pa rin siya masisisi because you don't have any proof.
Truly, I was in a very dark place when I found out about it. It made me not seek treatment right away because at the time I believed it was what I deserved and this is going to be the end of me, ganyan. I do acknowledge why people choose not to seek treatment. I've been there. It's really, really hard. But we have to realize that there is so much more than being just a person living with HIV. It's just a part of your life. It's not your whole life. So you can do so much more about your life. So go live it.
Truly, yes. Kasi that time nalalaman ko na positive ako. Wala akong knowledge about HIV. Akala ko noon pag may HIV ka, mamamatay ka na. 'Di ba? May sa mga habay, mga counselor. Kasi pag newly diagnosed ka, hindi yan mag-exist agad sa utak yung mga sinasabi nila. Nung nakikita ko na yung anak ko, sabi ko, wake up, may anak ka pala. Kailangan mo palang pagpatuloy sa buhay kasi may maliit kang umaasa sa'yo eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong reason ko ba't nabubuhay ako. Masyado akong malaki na yung galit sa mundo that time.
I don't need their pity.
Nabanggit ko naman sa inyo kanina na meron akong partner. Yung pinaka kinatatakutan ko as of this moment, yung kapag nalaman niya na yung status ko.